What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just had a nice day out on the town. Went thrift shopping. Got this beautiful jacket. $17. Absolute steal in my opinion. Bitcoin is currently breaking out of a falling wedge, and we have many bullish signals. So we're going to go over Bitcoin. Currently, we're up about 0.62% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap 857 billion. 24-hour volume is 33.26 billion. So let's get straight into it, guys. We're here on the hourly chart. Look at these juicy, beautiful green candles here. So we started to break out of this falling wedge pattern. Now your target is up here at the top of the wedge. Technically, that would be right here where these candles came up to, and that price target at about 47125, and then we have the golden ratio at 47462. So we also have this double bottom pattern here, just a little baby double bottom that we've broken out of. And you can see here, we probably already met that price target. Yes, we have perfectly. And we also have a bullish divergence on the daily. You see here that the price was falling, and on the RSI, the price was rising. Now, just going to quickly pop over to the Discord. So you can see here, I posted about our bullish divergence here, and we also have amazing members posting all kinds of chart patterns. The falling wedge pattern, not just me, but incredible members of the Discord posting their chart patterns, helping everyone stay ahead of the game on these plays. So if you want to join, it's the price of a coffee. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, all right, guys? So beautiful breakout here, bullish divergence, double bottom, and we are seeing a nice increase in volume here. So this can be the breakout that we're waiting for. We're back above the EMAs. Now, of course, there's always a possibility that we roll over and back test this level of support. If we were to fall back into the wedge, of course, it invalidates it, but we do have quite a few bullish signals. We have the bullish divergence, the increase in volume, and we're breaking out of this falling wedge pattern. So the pattern of your falling wedge is up here at 47125, and then we have the golden ratio at 47462. So just a quick little update. I have entered some long trades here. If we look at Bitcoin on the daily, we can see we're finding support along the 20 EMA, exactly as I predicted, as Carl would said. As I've been going over many of the coins, I said there's a high likelihood that we're going to bounce off the 20 EMA, and that is what we're seeing. So what we want to see is that we stay above the EMAs, we hold them as support, and we continue to trend upward. If we quickly look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour, let's see where the EMAs are at. So we can see here the EMAs are just underneath the candle. The candle is just broken above it. So if you see your next candle on the 4 hour chart hold the support of the EMAs, that would be a beautiful sign of strength. All right, guys, lots of bullish signals here. The only way that this would be invalidated is if we were to roll over, fall back down into the wedge. But right now we're looking good for continuation. So just a quick little update. Just wanted to update you guys on that breakout as well as the bullish divergence. Make sure to sign up to Bybit and receive incredible bonuses. Check out the Discord, guys. Follow me on social. I'm going to take off my jacket here, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.